Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a link for photos in Google Drive. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome and then type Google Drive. Press enter. Now open your Google Drive. So here you have to make sure that you are signed in. So now click on My Drive. So this is the interface of the Google Drive. Now navigate to the folder that contains the photo that you want to share. Just like I have my photos in this folder, so I will click on this folder. Now click on the photo which you want to share. So I will select this photo. Once it is selected, you can select single or multiple photos by just clicking on these photos. Now right click on the selected photo, or you can click on the three dots on the right side of this photo and then click on share and then again click on share. A new pop-up window will appear with the option for sharing the photo. Now choose the desired setting for the photo. Click on restriction. Here you can choose to make the photo for public share or keep it private. So here I will select anyone with the link so that anyone can see my photo by clicking on this link. So click on anyone with the link. And here if you want to share the photo with the specific people, then you can enter their email address in this field people and group field. Once you have chosen the sharing settings, then click on copy link. Now link copied. You can now share the link with others by pasting it to an email chat or any other medium. So anyone who has access to the link will be able to view the photo depending on the sharing setting you have chosen. Click on done. So now open the new tab and paste the link. Press enter. So now you can see our photo has opened directly through this link. So guys, in this video we saw how to create link for photo in Google Drive. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.